Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa in VR with Meta Quest 3. First, confirm your computer meets the game's virtual reality specifications for a smooth experience. Next, install both Steam VR and the Oculus PC application on your system. Finally, establish a connection between your Meta Quest 3 headset and your PC. You can use a high-quality USB 3.0 cable for a wired link, or opt for AirLink for a wireless setup. Once your headset is connected, launch Assetto Corsa. Head into the game's video settings menu. Here, you'll need to select either Oculus Rift or OpenVR as your preferred virtual reality rendering mode. Experiment with different graphics settings to find the perfect balance between visual fidelity and smooth frame rates. Lowering some settings can significantly improve performance, especially if your PC is not top tier. To truly elevate your Assetto Corsa VR experience, consider installing Content Manager and the Custom Shaders patch. These community-made tools offer significant enhancements, including better graphics and more customization options. Additionally, the OpenXR toolkit can provide further performance optimizations and allow for fine-tuning of your virtual reality display. For the most immersive control, a dedicated racing wheel and pedal set is highly recommended. If you encounter any issues, start by ensuring your graphics drivers and Meta Quest 3 firmware are fully updated. Many common problems, such as stuttering or display glitches, can often be resolved with the latest software. Always check online forums for specific troubleshooting steps if you're stuck. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your high-speed virtual reality racing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.